It's okay.
Okay. All right, so we're just gonna do a couple things to help us be silly right now, all right? So can we make a little bit more of a circle? All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna go, ready? 1, 2, 3. Now I need to hear you too. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. We're gonna play a game called Pass the Clap. Ready? All we're gonna do is we're gonna look at each other and we're gonna try to clap at the same time. Ready? Now I'm gonna reverse it. Okay, ready? All right, can you come in, close it in a little? Yeah, okay. Because now we're gonna try to see how fast we can go. You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, ready? Here we go. Whoa! See, we want to do it together. So you got.